Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back once again with the Ruko U11 foldable GPS drone. It's time for that first flight, so let's get cracking. Alright, friends, let's review what's in the box. Charging cables. Remember, they are USB-C, which is interesting and awesome since they give us 3. We've got the controller. We've got the attachment for the phone. We'll put that on in a moment. Extra battery, and we've got the drone, which is foldable with its battery. Open the bottom ones first. You can tell it's the bottom because the label is below. And then, this is important, make sure you take out that piece of foam. That makes sure that your battery does not connect when you don't want it to. And boom, we are connected. Next up, let's set up our controller. The clip for your phone attaches on the back. So, open up your clip, notice this folds, and then it just slides in and locks in place. And you do have to take that off each time you put it away because it doesn't fit in the case with it attached. Okay, don't forget you need to add an SD card. I've already powered up the drone. You can see I've got all my batteries. Let's wake up the controller, and you pull down to put it into connect mode. And then I already added the app. It's out here, the UDI GPS. With the drone powered on, I connected the phone to the drone's Wi-Fi, and we're already connected. Alright, before we worry about any of this, notice our controller is not connected. So I'm going to power this off. Now I'm going to power it back on. Now you can see my controller is connected. And let's do the calibration. Alright, so that is completed now. I could do an accuracy test, but I'm just going to fly. It's got a skip button. And boom, we are ready to take off. Set the drone out a little away. Walk back here, just like you're normally used to. Couple ins, and an up. I will get it into the field of view so you can see it. The controls are responsive. You can see I can turn it away. Lights are easy to see. There you can see it coming back at us. It is a tiny little drone, but it is very responsive, jumps up and down. So far, I gotta say, I am really impressed. Alright, so let's turn on the video. That's that button right there. And it's recording. Let's go up and see what we can find. Now, you do only get 20 minutes of battery life, so today I'm just going to fly it for you, tell you what I think of it. It's kind of dark, or it's getting dark here, so I like that you can see the lights on your screen. I've got it hovering so I can show you this. So on your screen, you can see that you got me. You got all the important details like your heading. Battery life, you can see I'm only at 74% right now. 7 meters up. Talks about my roll, pitch, yaw. And are you ready for this? We can roll that video up and down. There's a little bit further up so we can see out. Check out that sweet sunset. I'll spin it around. And we get cars driving by. Getting real close to sunset time. And then if I roll it the other way, it'll look straight down at the ground. Now the nice thing about this is you do have options. You can pick where you want it on the list. So if you want it at an angle, you've got that. Alright, so I'm going to stop the recording so that it saves. Let's take a picture, which is the button on the right. Let's actually take a picture with me in the screen. Gonna have to change that angle on the... There we go. Got me in the sunset. Picture time. Alright, let's see how it does with that home button. So it is moving right above my head where we took off. And you should see it drop down in the frame any minute now. Any minute-ish. Alright, so it came to home. And it's right there staring at me. There you go. Now it's setting in. And look at that. Easy peasy. Landed just like you would want. Alrighty friends, so of course if you're looking for this, there will be a link in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.